In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line graph in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable line chart that turns your raw numbers into a clear visual story. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. At the top right of the Google homepage, look for the small 9-dot grid icon. That's the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to reveal a panel of Google services, and then choose Sheets. This takes you straight into Google Sheets where all your spreadsheets live. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to visualize. If you have several files, use the Recent Files list or the search bar to find the right one quickly. It helps if your data is already organized with labels, like dates or categories, in the first column and the corresponding numbers in the column next to it. Sheets is pretty good at detecting that structure, so the chart setup later will be smoother. With your sheet open, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Google Sheets will immediately place a chart onto your sheet and open the Chart Editor panel on the right. Don't worry if the initial chart type isn't a line chart. We're about to change that. In the Chart Editor, make sure you're on the Setup tab. Look for the Chart Type drop-down. This is where you control the overall style. Click the drop-down, then select Line Chart. The chart on your sheet will update instantly to a line graph. If you prefer a different style of line chart, such as a smooth line or a line chart with markers, you can choose one of those variations here as well. Pick the option that makes your data the easiest to read. If something doesn't look right, maybe the wrong column is on the x-axis, or the data range isn't what you expected, use the fields in the chart editor to adjust the data range and axes. Small fixes there can make a big difference. Also, ensure your date or time values are real dates, not text. Real dates produce a properly spaced timeline. At this point, you've created a line graph in Google Sheets. If you want to make it presentation ready, you can switch to the Customize tab in the chart editor to add a chart title, adjust colors, and format the axes for clarity. A concise title and clear labels go a long way toward making your insights stand out. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your data into insights with your new line chart.